Meanwhile, back here in Central Texas, some universities told 6 News there won't be much of an impact because race was not a factor in their admissions process.
But other Texas universities say their schools will have to make a change. 6 News reporter Sydney Deshawn spoke to universities across the state who break down today's ruling and what families should know going forward. Sydney?
Yeah, Chris, Lindsay, Texas universities like SMU say today's ruling will take time to analyze. Professors say it's important to note when schools try to put together their incoming class, they will now not be able to focus on race in any way, shape, or form. Today, the High Court ruled using race as a factor in admissions violates the Constitution under the Equal Protection Clause. Court Chief Justice John Roberts said race is never a compelling interest in educational instructions or admissions. While many Texas universities say race has never been a criteria for admission, other campuses will have to determine the specifics of how the Supreme Court's ruling will affect the consideration of race in enrollment efforts. Even though the ins and outs are still unknown, professors say today's decision does not mean students should not apply to their desired school of choice.
Emphasize in the objective or the subjective parts of the application how your experiences, whatever they may be, whether they involve cheerleading, student government, dealing with sexism, dealing with racism, build that into your story of yourself as you sell yourself to the schools.
Now tonight at 6, we hear from more professors who break down what the future looks like after today's ruling, as well as what tips they have for students who may be facing obstacles.
We'll see how it all shakes out. Of course, we've got new classes enrolling and starting as quickly as August. Thank you, Sydney.